2006 Technical information required. Customer's application, submitted materials, and drawings are reviewed by CPS Energy to identify and assist in resolution of any issues associated with the proposed DG facilities interconnecting to the CPS Energy distribution system or terminating directly to customer service equipment. At a minimum, the following information is required for review. 1. Detailed operational one-line diagram for residential installations and three-line diagram for commercial installations. 2. Detailed site plan showing geographic orientation with location of existing and proposed service and metering equipment. 3. Meter loop drawing, elevation view, showing the proposed equipment layout. 4. Show all protective devices including rapid shutdown equipment and include as applicable size, rating, manufacturer, type, style, model, and settings. 5. Manufacturer specifications for inverters and solar panels. 6. Photos of the existing service to identify clearance issues and or any other issues that may need to be addressed as part of the DG installation. Note 1. All sheet drawings shall be to scale in PDF format. Note 2. For DG 25 kilowatts and above or where specifically required by CPS Energy, sealed and signed drawings will be required by a state of Texas licensed or registered engineer. Note 3. Pre-existing DG installations shall be incorporated into the final design submittal and shall meet all current installation requirements. Systems with a pre-existing alternative power source shall be reflected on proposed one-line. Customer shall provide operational scheme with manual or automatic transfer switch. 2007 Commissioning of DG system. Prior to connection of the DG facilities to the interconnection facilities, CPS Energy will send a representative, S, to the DG site to inspect and perform acceptance tests on the DG facilities to determine compliance with technical requirements and that all metering, telemetry, communications equipment, etc. associated with the DG facilities is properly functioning and receiving and transmitting accurate information. 2008 Access to DG site. CPS Energy shall have reasonable access to DG sites at all times and shall provide advance notice to customer of the need for CPS Energy presence at the respective DG site, except that no advance notice is necessary in the case of an emergency, in connection with the performance of CPS Energy obligations imposed on it by this agreement, or if necessary to meet CPS Energy's legal obligation to provide service to CPS Energy retail customers. 2009 Operational requirements for DG. CPS Energy and the customer share in the responsibility of having operational and maintenance of DG facilities due to the special metering equipment required and the safety concerns with paralleling sources with CPS Energy's distribution system. Failure by customer to operate and maintain all wiring and apparatus associated with their DG facilities in such condition or manner as not to endanger persons or property or to cause impairment of CPS Energy's distribution system may result in CPS Energy disconnecting the customer from CPS Energy's distribution system. Figure 2001 Typical 120/240 volt, single-phase whole house generator system. Figure 2002 Typical photovoltaic, PV, system 120/240 volt single-phase 3-wire diagram. Figure 2003 Typical 120/240 volt, single-phase photovoltaic, PV, system. Figure 2004 Typical photovoltaic, PV, system 120/240 volt single-phase 3-wire diagram. Figure 2005 Typical 120/240 volt, single-phase photovoltaic, PV, system. Figure 2006 Labeling requirements for typical photovoltaic, PV systems. Labels listed below represent basic labeling associated with a typical photovoltaic, PV, system installation and is not intended to include all labeling which may be required by the NEC and AHJ.